I want to talk to you today about this car armrest. Now, it's a lot more than just an armrest, and I just want to show you a few of the features before I show you what it's actually for. So this device here, it's protected, as you can see here. This will knock out your window if you are in a situation where you need to knock out your window, maybe out, or if you need to get into a window because something is stuck in somebody else's car. Just an idea. Also, right here, this is a blade that will cut your seatbelts. So what this does is, we all have this in our car. This fits right in there once the door is open. And now, if you have somebody that needs a little extra help getting out of the car, they can reach down and put their weight on this and get out of the car. Sometimes with these smaller cars, I have a little bit of a hard time getting in and out. So this is a great device for myself, as well as when I take my mother out and she really struggles to get in and out because she's not extremely stable on her feet. But this is a great economical device to keep in your car. And that is just my honest opinion.